All right. It's coming to life. Sure is. Get that dirt and grime off of it first. Then we find out what's really going on in there. Big reveal. Ta-da! Still got the flat tires. She looking good though. I like the blue. I like that blue color. Looks like the Celica. Yep. A little boo-boo there on the side. But hey. Missed that spot right there. Anyway. A bit of clear coat is missing. Coming off, you know. It's almost 20 years old. Good old washing. Anyway. Let's see, we have to go get the battery and those tires. But we'll do it another day. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See what's wrong with this thing. Come join me. Alrighty? And do what you always do, guys. See you later.